Vive le vent d'hiver, qui s'embrasse dans son vent dans les grands sapins verts. Oh, vive le temps d'hiver, boule de neige et l'eau de blanc et bonne année grand-père.
I can hear jingle bells, it's all happening here.
Hurry up, you lot, or we'll miss all the fun.
Wait for me, my Susan's done.
Not again. Quick, we'll run and catch them up.
We haven't heard you sing yet.
No, we've only just got here.
Baubles, baubles and tinsel stars. Get your fairy lights, guarantee the work first time.
Now that would be a miracle.
Never mind miracles, how about a nice juicy turkey? Look at this fellow, smash your big legs just like my missus.
Don't forget your Christmas puns, me darlings. Luxury puns bursting with fruit. You won't find better. Now, how about a box of such mince pies then?
Here's our carol for everyone to join in with. A real favourite. Ready after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lovely stall. Can I tempt you to buy anything?
Not really, we're about old for most of this stuff.
But some of these toys are really cute.
And really old.
Not even Grand's toys as old as this one.
Where did you get them from?
Oh, I get about all over the place in my job. You'd be surprised if you knew. These came from an attic of an old Victorian house. They'd been long forgot about, so I brought them down and gave them a bit of my THT. That's tender heavenly touch. It always works magic.
Tender heavenly touch. Never heard of that.
But do you think anyone will buy them? I do hope so. I'd like them to have a new home. Let's test the market.
We'll help you.
Up in the attic, all along, was a box of forgotten toys. Once they were played with all day long by long ago girls and boys.
This train with a track goes round and round, with a toot and a puff of steam. But the engine is scratched and scruffy now, and nobody minds the key. Up in the attic, all alone, was a box of forgotten toys. Once they were played with all day long by long ago
dear. No one wants my old Christmas jigsaw. They just don't know what they're missing. Am I sure I can't tempt one of you to take it?
It's more for little kids, I'm afraid. We're a bit too old for it.
No one can ever be too old for this jigsaw.
Yeah, but we don't have anyone to give it to.
Then give it to yourselves.
But it's just about worn out.
Are you surprised? It's been doing this job for hundreds of years.
But you said it was Victorian.
If you take it, you'll soon find out it's timeless and ageless, believe me.
Well, if we did buy it, how much would it cost? There's no price tag.
It's priceless.
What do you mean?
I mean there's no price. It's more valuable than money. I've been waiting for the right child to give it to. And lucky me, I found 5 of you with enough curiosity to deserve it.
What? You want to give it us for nothing? That can't be right.
Are you sure?
Absolutely positive.
Well, thanks. It's nice of you, but should we accept?
Of course you should. Go on, take it, really. There's absolutely no catch. Just promise that on Christmas Eve you'll stop being busy and excited for a little while and take time to put all the pieces together very carefully.
We promise.
Thanks so much.
And Merry Christmas.
Have a very special Christmas yourselves. I feel sure I'll pass across again.
I can't believe it's Christmas Eve already. It's so exciting.
Look, it's my necklace for Mum all wrapped up.
There's not much left in here now. In fact, there's only this.
Oh no, the old jigsaw!
What are we going to do with it?
Well, if you remember, we promised the toy seller would find time on Christmas Eve to do it.
But we don't have time now. We've still got master to do before tomorrow.
And some good stuff on TV we're missing too.
A promise is a promise, you know.
And it won't take long. There aren't many pieces by the sound of it.
I know, you girls do the puzzle, and when it's done, we'll come in my room.
You'll probably find a bit missing. It's always the same with old jigsaws. Hey look, there's a picture of an angel on the lid, and she's got a very familiar face. What? Is she someone famous off the telly? Don't be silly. TV wasn't even invented when the jigsaw was made, but she does look familiar.
She's right, you know. She does have a familiar face.
Oh yes, but who's to remind you of?
I've got it. The angel on the box has the same face as the toy seller who gave us the jigsaw.
So she has. Spooky.
Not spooky, Tom. Just a heavenly touch of Christmas magic.
So, are you really an angel?
You've got it, Meg. This is me in all my glory. I don't usually wear this outfit for markets and places like that, but today is special, so I've come dressed up.
Lovely.
I usually have a speech ready and say something like, "Be not afraid. I bring you glad tidings of great joy." But not today. Today I've come to show you the story of that very first Christmas. So let's begin. Eve, you take out the first piece and we'll all have a look at it. It's quite a big piece, and it shows Roman soldiers talking to a crowd of people.
The chief Roman's reading from a scroll.
Now that's where our story starts, in Nazareth, where Mary and Joseph lived. Joseph was a town carpenter, but originally he came from Bethlehem. The Emperor Caesar Augustus called for a census, and everyone had to go to the town to be counted. It was quite an event, as you'll see.
Listen up to what we have to say.
ones too. This is a decree from Emperor Caesar Augustus. Long live the Emperor! There is to be a census. Every man must return to the town or city of his birth to be counted. The plan is to take immediate effect. Roman officials will be awaiting your arrival. The count will take place in 5 days' time. Be there. Why do you need to count us? What's it all about?
Tax, of course. They'll take all our profits.
It won't be worth working soon.
That's life.
Down in the Bethlehem, the Bethlehem. Down in the Bethlehem, a boy in a darling. Bethlehem, 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 Bethlehem. Bethlehem, Bethlehem, a boy in a darling. A Baba Kusti in Bethlehem, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. A Baba Kusti in Bethlehem, a boy in a darling.
We must travel in groups and headed for Bethlehem Road.
Somebody had better tell Mary and Joseph about the census. Joseph came from Bethlehem too.
What about wild animals when we camp tonight?
We'll light fires to scare them off.
It's got
to not worry me.
It's got to be done. Going on a journey, a little holiday. Looking up our relatives, we hope they'll let us stay. We will still be working with all the kids tonight. It would be such a holiday for women who will find. Up and on our way, we will be back one day. Start now, no delay. The Emperor is waiting. Up and on our way, we will be back one day. Start now, no delay. The Emperor is waiting. Going on a journey, we're walking all the way. Robbers might be hiding there to ambush us today. Going on a journey, a census has been called. Romans give the orders now and none be overruled. Up and on our way, we will be back one day. Start now, no delay. The Emperor is waiting. Up and on our way, we will be back one day. Start now, no delay. The Emperor is waiting. The Emperor is...
This piece shows Mary and Joseph arriving in Bethlehem. It's very dark, the stars are bright, the innkeeper and his family are there, but the rest of the town is deserted. It must be late at night.
Oh yes, what a time that was. We angels had our work cut out keeping them safe. I can tell you it was a long way from Nazareth to Bethlehem, especially for Mary with a baby ready to born. We had to protect them from robbers guiding them to a good stopping place. And of course I was at probably
Mary and Joseph were very slow travellers. Serious travel nowhere fun. But we were there
on the say.
No more visitors allowed. We settled in the final crowd. But in front, we have no wings, but wait till you. But there is no queen at the end of the night. We leave our tree and take good night. Wait, I have a great idea. We got the stable very near. It warm and dry. I want to bright. Hear your baby to bird tonight. We'll fill the manger full of hay to make a cradle. Oh, please stay.
That night the baby Jesus was born. It's time for that piece of jigsaw. Who did it time? Me, please. I've chosen the shepherd out on the hills. Just look at the angels in the sky. I bet what the church is like at night.
Now we're gonna play Jingle Bells.
Over the hills outside Bethlehem, yes, shepherds watching over their sheep. It's bright and starry night, but one star shine bright and then all like the rest. Just look at the stars tonight.
What? That big star over Bethlehem?
I've never seen a star that big or bright before.
What does that mean?
Suddenly the sky is full of angels flying in from all directions. We join them and we thank with joy. We are going to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. That was absolutely amazing, astounding, astonishing, awesome,
Absolutely
ya. Come on, boys, let's find the next piece. Feature! That's not fair. Anyway, my piece showed 3 good kings carrying a gift, following a star. But mine has a king on it too. A scary kind of guy with an evil smile. That's King Herod. Now he really gave us angels trouble with a capital T. So which is it to be? My 3 good kings or his scary one? Let's do both. The 2 stories are intertwined. You'll see. Do you realise that we haven't actually seen the baby Jesus yet? He's been tucked up in that cosy manger ever since he arrived.
And there's just one tiny piece of jigsaw left.
The smallest, the best, and the most important in the story.
The baby Jesus.
There's just right shaped space for it. Yes, here, in Mary's arms.
Come on, let's complete our picture. In the busy jigsaw of our lives, never forget the true meaning of Christmas.
And the jigsaw has reminded
Thank you.